Let's take a look at a trapezoid now. We're going to take the integral from -2 to +1 of x minus 2 dx. Notice first of all that there are parentheses around my entire function. That's because we have our function times dx to make up the area of those little tiny rectangles, and so our function always has either parentheses or brackets around it before the dx. Just keep that in mind for the future. Now we're looking from -2 to +1. -2 goes down here, and if we actually look at the function value at -2, we can plug it back in. -2 minus 2, that gives us -4. So this function value down there is -4, 2 comma -4 right here. -2 comma -4. And we're looking at x equals 1, which is right here. And if you plug that into your function, 1 minus 2 is -1. So this point right here is 1 comma -1. So this length right here is -1. You'll notice that this makes a trapezoid. A trapezoid whose base goes from -2 to +1. That's a base of 3. +3 because we're from -2 to +1. Our first length is -4, and our second length is -1. And we can use our trapezoid formula, which is it's the base 3 divided by 2 times your first height, which is -4, plus your second height, which is -1. -4 plus -1 is -5, times 3 is -15 all over 2. And so the answer to this particular integral is either -15 over 2 or it's -7.5.